If you're here to research your next trip to Bali, then look no further. I'm going to tell you what you have to see on your first day on this wonderful island. Why is Bali so popular? What makes this destination so attractive? Well, I will tell you everything, but first, make yourself comfortable, grab something to drink, and keep watching. Our first day was in Seminyak, very close to the capital city Denpasar. We started to get familiar with the crazy traffic, the motorcycles and the temples. We went to a place that many friends recommended to us, but first we urgently needed to eat. After eating typical Balinese food, we already had enough energy to reach our destination.
Good morning, guys! So now it's 5 p.m. We woke up very late again. We're still adjusting to this place and we had some brunch.
Love Anchor Bali is a popular art and design market in Bali. It is known for its relaxed and vibrant atmosphere, where you can find a variety of unique products from clothing to accessories and local art. If you're planning to visit Bali, I would definitely recommend making a stop at Love Anchor Bali. You will for sure have a unique shopping experience. I also have to warn you to be careful in some places, since prices can go up depending on how touristy you look.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what
Guys, we had lunch for $3 and you could choose whatever you want, and honestly it's a huge plate. They eat here like with huge portions, and with the drink and everything was $3. So it's better to eat in local places than going to expensive restaurants, because you don't feel the vibe of the place and you don't try the typical things from here. So in front of every shop you can see like a leaf with fruit and some kind of offerings. Sometimes you can also see like incense, and it's very cool.
We saw many dogs here. Dogs in Bali are an important part of the local culture. Many of them live on the street and they are part of the urban landscape of the island. Some Balinese consider them as spiritual guardians and take care of them. And finally, we arrived at the famous Canggu beach.
Guys, so right now we are in Canggu. They are playing live music here, and if you come here you will see that this is a typical place where surfers do surf. And we're going to enjoy the sunset. There's only a few minutes of sun left, and yeah, we're going to order a coconut. So I'm going to try the coconut water from here. And yeah, as you can hear, the music is very loud and you can ask whatever song you want and they can play it. Until now they've been playing music from India and Japan. It's very nice. And also you will see that this place is full of tourists. Many people from all over the world come here.
Sunsets in Bali are simply unique. Sometimes we're in such a hurry to travel that we forget to sit back and enjoy ourselves. We ordered a very good coconut and we enjoyed the views, the surfers, the sunset and the people. Coconut is very typical in Bali and this was very delicious. After that, we decided to get a massage for approximately $5, which we enjoyed a lot, and after that we ordered food for dinner and got ready for sleep.
So this is my dinner. Hummus. Another thing, falafel and cauliflower bites. This is my friend's dinner. Ooh, fancy. And everything was 5 euros. 5 euros.
This This is our hotel in Seminyak, and it's incredible how you open the window and see so much green in front of your eyes. Nature is undoubtedly the most attractive thing about Bali, where of course you will love the rice fields.
Good morning guys, so we woke up, today we woke up earlier, now it's 12 p.m. We did the checkout of the hotel and we're going to have breakfast in a very cool place. My friend found a place which is called Bali, and we have all our stuff here because after the breakfast we're going to go to the north part which is called Bangli.
This was our last breakfast before leaving the most touristy part of Bali and heading north.
So we ordered 2 orange juices. Each one is 40,000 rupees. So I ordered poached eggs, 1 toast, and this is a avocado toast. And I also ordered typical pancakes from here.
Transportation in Bali is very cheap, and with the Grab app you can go very far for a few dollars. We began to move away from the city and were able to observe the most local towns and places. It's incredible how every place seemed like something out of a movie. You feel so small in the middle of so much nature. Without a doubt, nature in Bali is truly impressive. Everything was going well until we got lost on the map. It seems that we gave the driver the wrong address and we ended up in many places that were not our hotel. The big problem is that local people don't speak English, but luckily at the end we were able to find the place. Each place we saw was more beautiful than the last one. This hotel is literally in the middle of nowhere and is just magical.
Guys, so this is our home. It's so nice. I'm going to show you everything with detail. Hi guys, so right now we are in this amazing hotel. These villas were just opened 3 months ago, so they are new, and I'm going to show you our villa. Come with me.
But if you want to discover our little paradise and the next places we will see in Bali, don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.